Okay, let's go in and draw Jax from the Amazing Digital Circus, okay? So we're gonna go into that right now. So let's get started, okay? It's gonna be more like an upper body. I don't think I need to draw his entire body. We're gonna draw like kind of torso up. So let's get started right here. Curve right here, top of the head. All right. I'm gonna go put a space on this side, and actually we're gonna go over here and draw a curve on this side. Trying to get like a full circle kind of thing going on there. Space on this side. I'm gonna connect these right here. I understand when you're drawing a circle, it's kind of like a pain to do that, so you can kind of draw it in chunks like I did. Gonna go over here now, and I'm gonna put his ears up there. That's kind of up to you how long you want to make those. I'm seeing different versions of them, but let's go up like right here. It gets a little bit bigger at the top. Down here. Curve over here. Down here. You can make them super long, depending on kind of what version you want of him, but you know, I'm gonna make them moderately long right there, just so they fit on the paper. We can get, you know, get through this lesson. Gonna go right here about halfway into that circle, and I'm gonna draw a curve right there. If you're a fan of the Amazing Digital Circus, by the way, please tell me why. I'm so curious. I've watched it. I'm like, this is nice, but like, why are you a fan of it? I'm so curious. Like, write that in the comments if you can, because it'll make me understand a little bit more. Because it is cool. Curve underneath, up over here. So you got that smile. He's got that huge smile. And then we're going to draw lines downward. Gonna go right here, curve underneath, curve underneath. All right, this will be the bottom of the eyes. I'm gonna go right here, kind of like a gravestone shape right there. Same thing right there. It's like a hill of some kind. Gonna go over here on this side now. Draw a curve right there. Draw a curve right here, and I'm gonna fill in the right side. Right there. All right. Curve right there for that long neck that he has. It's a really long neck. Don't forget, by the way, hit the like button. Sorry, I said that earlier. Forgive me, but if you can, hit that like. Really helps the channel out. Helps with the algorithm. Curve over here. Curve over here. For the shoulders. Down. Kind of a pretty long arm right there. Down over here. Pull in. Over here on this side. Down. Curve, pull in here. Downward right there for the torso. Over here on this side. I'm gonna go from the shoulder here. Torso. Line over here. Line underneath. Down. 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 Right there for the suspenders. Curve underneath. A button right there for the suspenders. Button right here for the suspenders. And line across. Alright, we're doing pretty good so far. Pretty good. kind of cute in some ways, right? Like in some ways, I would say it's kind of cute, like kind of a cute character. It's a good segue into, you know, if you love cute characters, there is an ebook that I put out. It was $30, and basically it gives you the format of how to like design your own cute character, how to turn things into cute, by kind of giving you the most important parts of it, right? So think about it in your mind's eye right now. What is the most important thing about drawing something cute? Like, technically, what would you think? Is it the lines? Is it like a big character, a small character? It is proportion. That's the number one thing. So if I wanted to draw this character cuter, or whatever, you would draw it bigger, like draw the head much larger in proportion to the body you pair it with. So larger head, smaller body. And we do that through number of heads. So right now this character is like, I don't know, really tall. So it would be, I don't know, like 10 heads tall or something, right? Like you take the head measurement and you measure it down to body. But with like chibi characters and cute characters, it's like it can be 2 heads tall. You got a huge head, and then like the body is almost the same size as height-wise as the head. I go through that in charts. That's the easiest way to learn it. It's the easiest way to remember it is in these charts. And I made them. They're easy to follow, they're easy to print, and I put them in a PDF for you to print out the second you know, whenever you want them. And you can go download that now. It's totally free right now. It was something I sold, but now is free. All you got to do is sign up for, I think, the email list in the description there. But it's super simple. You sign up, boom, you can download it right now. And yeah, you'll have it. It's 20 pages, all charts, all stuff like that. There's hardly any writing at all because we're artists and we're visual learners. So go take a look at that and get it right now, because I'm not going to have it free forever. So go get that in the description. Go download that when you can. Okay, let's finish this guy off. Gonna draw a line right here for the glove. Curve right here for that kind of cuff of the glove. Curve for his hand kind of folded and is on his waist. Line down. Line down over here. Curve over here. Line down. Outside elbow down right here. And let's draw like a thicker line right there on the inside. And that's it. Real simple character. Amazing Digital Circus to, you know, drawing tutorials are, you know, pretty good. I'm going to go through every single character if you want, but that's pretty much it. What I want you to do is I want you to share this video if you liked it, if you're watching to this point, I mean, stick around and we're going to draw another lesson together, okay? Stick around, let's draw another character together. Let's do it.
Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.